Everything is possible if we really listen to each other. True love is proven in the hard time. We don't develop courage by being happy every day. We develop it by surviving difficult times and challenging adversity. Sometimes silence is better than harsh words. In the silence, we heal and reach across the divide. I can't promise that in our relationship you won't face any problems, but I surely can promise that you won't face them alone. Love isn't when there are no fights in the relationship. Love is when once the fight ends, love is still there. Relationships last long, not because they're destined to last long. Relationships last long because two brave people made a choice to keep it, fight for it, and to work for it. All couples have ups and downs, but how you handle it is what defines true love. Arguments are simply a test to see if a couple is strong enough to overcome it. Let's not forget it's you and me versus problem, not you versus me.